it's three. You see them three?
On the one.
Look how they're moving about now. You see that, Chester?
Yes, sir. I got it.
They're getting closer. They are.
Yeah, I see it.
Above us.
Yep. About the spring.
And they're coming closer.
The ones on the water are coming closer. They'll come in and out. They'll spread apart. They'll line up.
Oh, look at that.
Look, wow, that was incredible what I'm seeing there. Man, one of them was bright white, man.
This is pretty big one.
Got one straight above us.
Yeah. I see it right there. Oh, man, that thing
Wow.
to the left.
Wow, that was a huge flash. Yeah, did you see it? Look how huge.
Watch it, Lord.
Watch it, Chester.
Come on in the closer, guys.
Now they'll be at the flash.
Every now and then it'll flash very bright.
Okay, so there's this weird vertical object just floating out in space. That's not a plane. What the heck is that? Okay, that's a jet. I live near the airport. Like, that's a jet. I look in the sky all the time. That thing is just sitting there. It's like this long object. Can't see it very clearly, but see, look, I tried to zoom in on what the heck is that? The plane is going right past it. See, there's a plane. That's moving normal, going right to Sky Harbor. What the heck is that?